Let's see how to record manufacturing entry in Tally Prime. First, we had to create voucher type. For that, voucher type in create and name as manufacturing, then select stock journal in select type of voucher. Now Ctrl+A for save. Then go back to Gateway of Tally. Now we will create stock item. For that, go to create and then select stock item. Now enter the name of the product you want to prepare under finished goods. Now I will show you how to create finished goods here under group. Name as finished goods and then select under primary and enter your item's HSN code and GST rate. Then save it with Ctrl+A. And then select the units you had prepared for your product. Now press F12 for configure, then select yes in show more configurations. Now search set components list, bill of materials, in stock items, do yes in box, then Ctrl+A for save. Now we get new selection option set components, BOM, type yes. Then write raw material under name of BOM. After that, enter unit of manufacture. Now select your raw materials and enter quantity needed for manufacturing. Then Ctrl+A to save. Come back to stock item and we can see HSN code and GST rate comes automatically in item. Now Ctrl+A to save. Then go back to Gateway of Tally. Now press V for vouchers. Now press F7 for voucher type, then select manufacturing. After that, enter name of product and quantity. And now we can see all items came in component which we have selected in raw materials in product. Now in co-product or byproduct or scrap waste materials, then it will be less form remaining products quantity. Now in cost of components, type of additional cost means how much did you spend for making your product. Now Ctrl+A for save. Then go back to Gateway of Tally. Now to recheck entry, press S for stock summary, then select finished goods and then choose your product and you will be able to view the details. Let's know if you want to know more any specific content in Tally Prime. Contact us to buy new, renew, consultancy and implementation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in next video.